Hi there, Marianne, RockingRvAdventures. Wanted to do a short video since New Year's Eve is coming up and how to keep your dogs safe this New Year's Eve. So stand by for the video. On New Year's Eve, some places you hear a lot of gunshots, you hear fireworks, which absolutely terrifies some dogs. So, as a former California State Humane Officer, there's a few ways that you can minimize the stress to your pet during this time. I know I have a couple that are very afraid of gunshots and fireworks. So we always suggest keep your blinds closed, your shades drawn, and I like to have a radio or TV on, something that provides some outside or inside noise, because you don't want them to hear the outside noise. They'll still hear it, but probably not as much. There's something called a thunder jacket that you can put on your dog, which gives them some comfort because it's kind of snug and it's comforting, like the weighted blankets that you hear for children. But the anxious dogs, you've got to keep them inside. When dogs are afraid, they can scale a 6-foot fence when they normally can't, because the fight or flight syndrome comes in. So keep an anxious dog inside. If you have crates, some dogs are very comfortable in their crates. I would suggest crating them. So if you do crate them, take their collar off, because I've seen dogs get strangled by their collars getting caught on their crate. And make sure that with the crate, when we crate any of our dogs, we put a blanket over the top to make it look like a cave, make it look real homey for them. Make sure you keep your windows and your doors closed, so just to make sure they can't get out. Make sure your dog is microchipped and all the information is current. Super, super important, because if your dog is chipped and gets out and the information's not current, you may not get your pet back because they won't be able to reach you. So, and also have a photo uploaded on the microchipping company's website if they allow it. Let them go to a quiet spot. Some dogs will go to the closet, the shower, the bathtub, under the bed. Let them go where they feel safe. But do check on them, every now and then, just because they get so terrified. It's a good thing when you're gonna have a night with, fireworks, gunshots, even a bad thunderstorm. Exercise your dog earlier in the day, because they'll be tired and they'll be a little more apt to sleep more. And the same with potty. If it's gonna be like New Year's Eve, 4th of July, or anything like that, potty your dog, bring them in before dark, before anything starts to happen. If you do have to take them out when all this is going on, double leash them. When they get panicked, they can pull out of collars, they can pull out of harnesses, so double leash your pet. And there is some medications that you can use that you can get from your vet. I know for me, I can give my dogs a Benadryl, makes them a little drowsy. But always check with your vet first. It's super important to do that. The best thing that you can do is stay calm. You being calm helps your pet be calm. And be safe, everybody be safe. Keep your pets secure. I have notes because I didn't want to miss anything. So I hope some of those ideas will help you if you do happen to have a dog that's anxious on the holiday. You want to keep them safe. We don't go out on 4th of July or New Year's just because, our Doberman was terrified. She would shake. Our Labradoodle shakes. Our little Schnauzer mix, Sammy, he barks because he's afraid. So we try to keep a real calm environment, soothing music, watching TV, and keep our routine as normal as possible. So I hope these tips help you, and if they do, please pass the video on. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help us grow our YouTube channel. And as always, leave it better than you found it. Make it a great day. God bless, and we'll see you next year. Bye for now.